If you're wondering which brokerage is better in 2025, Fidelity or Charles Schwab, here's the honest breakdown. Both are top tier, full-service brokers with strong research, low-cost trading, and robust platforms. Fidelity shines with excellent customer support, extensive retirement tools, and a clean, intuitive interface. Its research reports and stock screening tools are highly rated, making it ideal for long-term investors. Schwab, on the other hand, offers broad access to ETFs, no-fee index funds, and strong educational resources, plus the Schwab mobile app and Street Smart Edge platform for active traders. Stocks and ETFs. But Fidelity edges out Schwab slightly in account types and international investing options, while Schwab offers slightly better margin rates and cash management features. In short, if you prioritize research and retirement planning, Fidelity may be the better fit. If low-cost ETFs, flexible platforms, and educational support are key, Schwab is strong. Both are excellent, but your choice depends on your investing style. Like, subscribe, and leave questions in the comments.